Hi friends, in this Laravel tutorial series, I am going to start new Laravel project fuel station management system. Today I will show you how to install Laravel in local server. This is Laravel official website and latest version 10x. Okay, this is my local server Jam 8.1.6 and this is my jump folder 8.1.6. Just hit enter and enter docs, htdocs. Just I will open any kinds of terminal here. Open terminal. Okay. This is Laravel official documentation. Just enter installation and scroll down. This is first Laravel project. Okay, just command composer create, just copy and paste here. Just replace this project name. Okay, fuel station. Just hit enter. This process will be completed after few times. Project install completed. Just I will go my htdocs folder and this is project folder fuel station. Just enter and just I will close this terminal from and reopen from my project folder. Just open terminal. Okay, just command php partition serve. This is my project URL. Just copy and open any kinds of browser. This is my Laravel project. Okay, just Laravel 10.13.5 and PHP version 8.1.6. okay, this project reopen another method. Just localhost fuel station. Just hit enter and this is my fuel station project and hit public. Next tutorial I will show you another process. Okay, goodbye.